Hey, you guys, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're doing Engage New York, Module 5, Lesson 18. Our objective is to add and subtract more than two fractions. Before we do that, let's review some vocabulary words. We are going to review what is a whole number, you guys. I keep using whole number. What does that mean? You guys are right. It means a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. Those are whole numbers. Remember, a fraction is used to describe one or more parts of a whole that are divided into equal parts. The numerator is the top number of the fraction that describes how many pieces of the whole you have, and the denominator is the bottom number of the fraction that describes how many pieces make the whole. Then we have a mixed number, you guys. What's a mixed number? Yes, it is a whole number with a fraction. And then we have the most curious one, an improper fraction. Yes, that's a fraction that the numerator is greater than the denominator. Now let's look at the steps. We're going to add or subtract the numerators together. Don't add and subtract the denominators because that'd change your whole. Simplify if need be. So we need to make sure our fraction is in simplest form, and to do that, we make sure we have no common factors, -1 for numerator and denominator. Please turn all improper fractions into a mixed number. And here are two examples for one example for each of these simplifying tips. So let's go down to our first problem. We have 5/7 plus 1/7 plus 4/7. What is my answer? So step 1, add my numerators. So I have 5 plus 1 plus 4, which equals, yes, you guys, it does equal 10. So I'm going to take that 10 and I'm going to put that over my denominator, which is 7. And I see that this is an improper fraction because my numerator is bigger than my denominator. Because of that, I know I can pull one whole denominator out of my numerator. So that becomes a one whole fraction. So I write that as 7/7. Now I have to figure out how many pieces are left. So I can look at it as 10 minus 7, or start at my 7 and count up to 10. Either way, I get 3/7. So now I do the 7/7 plus 3/7, which equals, you're right, 1 3/7. So right up here in my problem, I write my 1 and my 3/7 in my answer. We make sure we write everything where it's supposed to be so that the teacher has several places to find your answer. Let's go down to one more, and we're going to subtract. I have 1 minus 3/12 minus 4/12 equals some fraction. So remember, 1 is like one whole. So right up here, I don't have it. It's okay. Right here in the first example, remember how we pulled 7 out of 7 and it's 1? This time we're reversing the steps, you guys. I'm going to take the denominator, the denominator, and create a whole fraction. So my denominator is 12, so I'll do 12/12. I'm going to leave some space so that I can see that. So now I'm going to do 12 minus 3 equals 9 minus 4 equals 5. Did you see that? I took this 12 right here. I subtracted this 3 to get 9, to subtract 4 to get 5. So now that I've got that, I'm going to put my 5/12. Now I have to figure out, is there any way to simplify this? I know 5 is not bigger than 12, so I don't need a mixed number. Now I have to figure out, is there a number between the two that I can pull out? I know 5's prime, so does 5 go into 12? No, it doesn't. So 5/12, ladies and gentlemen, is our answer. So I'm putting it in our spots for our answers. As you're doing this, take your time, have fun, and remember, smile, giggle, and wiggle, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.